Hey guys, I'm Vinyl Vixen. This is my partner Slim Sheddy.
What's up, guys?
From Wrapsesh AZ. Today we are going to be trying out a new product from the 3M series. It is actually their brand new ceramic coating. Ooh. So we're going to be getting scientific today, which is obviously why we have our awesome lab coats and our rubber gloves that never fit.
I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, those are XL.
See?
I was gonna say they don't.
Let's get
usually
scientific.
Fit me.
They never fit me. Nobody buys small gloves in this
Nobody
shop.
wears small gloves.
Okay. Anyways, this is our first time trying out this product. We have dabbled with ceramic coatings a little bit before. It's not something that I typically do as the installer. So it is a first time for us using this product, but that's kind of one of the pros of this product is that you don't have to be certified to apply the coating as a detailer. And it's just supposed to be really easy to use on any kind of surface, you know, no fuss. So these are the products which we got from fellers.com. You guys can find everything on there. This first bottle right here is the ceramic booster coating. This is a 6-month coating if you want to kind of dip your toes into the world of ceramic and try it out. This also doubles as the annual booster touch-up coating for the real ceramic coating. It's about $40, $40 to $45 for that one. And then this little bottle right here, actually it's this whole kit.
The whole box.
This kit right here is the 3M ceramic coating kit. It's gonna come with this bottle right here. This will coat about 2 to 4 cars depending how many layers you do. It also is gonna come with your applicator and the little socks for the applicators.
The socks.
The socks, yep. And one little side step also, we have a glass pre-treatment. So you're gonna use this to prep your glass windows before you lay the coating down. And of course, you need the rubbers.
The
gloves. The rubber gloves, guys.
The gloves?
Gosh. So
Okay.
we are gonna be coating our 392 Hellraiser Mopar that we just recently wrapped up, which is in 3M Satin Bitter Yellow, as well as Cheetah Wrap Satin Black.
It's a nice color.
Yes, very, very cool wrap. You can see one of our previous YouTube episodes on that if you want. And we're gonna be coating all the vinyl wrap surfaces as well as the glass on that today. This is our first genuine experience, honest review using this product. So
First time ever.
Let's dive in. Oh, we just did the same thing. Also, I would recommend for your shop that you guys get a miniature hood replica. This is just a little aluminum one that we had lying around. We're actually gonna display this up front for our customers. So I wrapped it up in 4 different types of vinyl film. We have a gloss, a matte metallic, a flat matte, and a satin. So we basically wrapped this and then we taped up half of it, and we're gonna coat this side so you guys can kind of see the difference between a coated vinyl versus a non-coated vinyl. We just finished out trying the 3M ceramic coating series. What did you think about it? Use your scientific answer.
And what would that be?
Use big words.
Big words. Really liked installing it. It was very easy.
Super easy.
Super easy to install. It has like a flash time of like 2 to 5 minutes or something that you have like a pretty good amount of time.
It's a good window of time, more so than like the other stuff that we have.
So you can like do an entire like panel and then go back, and by the time you're done, usually it's about time to
Yeah, so we were doing single panels at a time, and that worked really well. I want to note, like with vinyl, because it's not always just a gloss painted surface, it's going to be like matte or satin was what we were coating. It does soak up a lot more of the coating. So that's one thing that you want to keep in mind, is you're probably going to use more product on vinyl wraps. And
mattes and satins.
You have to be really, really consistent about how you lay it on that. You don't want to be messy. So like really consistent strokes, overlapping strokes this way, up and down, and then left and right.
East, west, north, south.
Things and stuff and things and more, yes. And another thing I want to know is when you do the paint coating, you still need to do a paint correction beforehand, unless it's like a brand new vehicle.
Yeah. Well, because if you don't do the paint correction, you will seal the cracks or the scratches. You will seal the scratches into your paint, and you're not gonna. You need to get those out first.
Yeah. So you need to do all of that beforehand, at least to stage 1.
Yeah.
Maybe up to stage 3.
It depends on the wear and tear of your paint. So
with the glass coating, you want to be really consistent too with your strokes and everything, because it can get streaky if you're not careful. One thing I noticed too that I didn't really like was when I was using a microfiber to wipe it after it flashed on the windows, it kind of left a lot of fuzz.
Well, yeah, I mean, you have to get a lint-free rag to get away from that.
Well, we got the really fluffy microfiber.
That's what you're supposed to use, yeah.
But
they're
like
supposed to be lint-free, but you still get a little bit
If it was
lint.
maybe just a little bit damp, I feel like it would have avoided that.
Yeah, but afterwards, if you took like a air hose and blew all that off, it would just probably come right off. So it's not, it does leave a little bit, mostly just on the windows though. I didn't have that issue on the vinyl. It's just on the windows.
Last but not least, make sure that the coating is the last thing you do when you work on a car, if you're gonna wrap it or anything. Vinyl and PPF and things like that aren't typically gonna stick very well to a ceramic coated vehicle. So you have to make sure that you have that stuff removed before you actually wrap a car.
That's the grand finale.
And then you do this, grand finale.
What's that other bottle you got there?
Oh, P.S. This is the 3M ceramic coating. This bottle right here, okay? Glass. This is an energy shot. Very misleading.
Here's what we had we had one of these in the shop, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's very similar. It is a different size though, at least.
P.S. Don't drink it.
Don't drink the ceramic coating thinking it is
Keep it away from actual drinks.
Or a Rip It, or whatever that is.
Rip It.
Rip It good.
Rip It good. If you guys want to try out the 3M coatings, they're super, super easy upsells. The profit on these, I mean, you can make 300 to 500% profit when you do one of these jobs. And it literally only takes like 2 hours at the most to prep a vehicle and wipe it down and then do the coating, and then it's like, a 4 to 8 hour dry time.
It's a pretty quick process, yeah.
Super easy. Also, I feel like anybody that works on the vehicles or is an installer or has that kind of sense of detail would do really, really well doing the coatings. Super easy to learn how to do, but if you need to do the paint, like I said, you need to have a certified detailer that can do those paint corrections.
You also need to know what you're looking for if you're installing this. Like, you have to know your high and low spots. You have to be able to level it out. Like, you have to know what you're looking at. You can't just you have to have a little bit of a detailed eye.
Yeah, but I feel like overall it was like a really easy product in the sense that it was like a one size fits all.
Figure out, yeah, definitely.
It's like if you're familiar with cars, and you have that sense of detail, you could figure out how to use it pretty easily.
I would say most shops could,
I mean, we caught on super quick. Yeah, and we did all the different types of coatings in the first 2 weeks of using it. So, if you guys want to try out the 3M coatings, it is on fellers.com. You can get it there. They might be running some special promos right now with it too, so make sure you check out for that. And
it looked really good. I like it.
It was the bee's knees. Scientifically correct.
Now we just need to figure. Now we just pretty much gonna leave it on there and see how long it lasts.
Yeah, that's the only thing is we can't really speak to the longevity. It does depend if you do a single or a double coat. It's a 2 to 3 year product or 4 to 5 year product, I believe.
Depending on how many coats you do, yeah.
But there's things to take into consideration as far as aftercare and sun exposure, those kinds of things. So definitely recommend those annual boosters, and we'll see how this holds up in Arizona.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Later.
Thank you, come again.